Hi, my name is Livona Ellis, and I'm a dance artist. I've designed a series of foundational dance classes for you. In these classes, we'll work on movements that incorporate your spine, upper body, flexibility and mobility, and some strength training. This is everything you need to tap into your inner dancer. I believe dance is for everyone and every body. Dance is about expressing yourself and connecting with yourself and others in a different way. It's just about having fun. These classes are for you. This is a great way to introduce yourself to a new way of moving. Even if you feel a bit uncomfortable or awkward to start, I've made many modifications for you to change and just do anything that makes you feel good in your body. It's not about looking a certain way, it's just about feeling freedom in movement. I hope these classes bring you a sense of joy and openness in your body. So come take a class with me and let's dance together.